everyone, my name is Angelina Tapenae. I am student of University Nias Raya. Now I want to perform the result of my assignment, and in my assignment I will read a text to improve my pronunciation. For the next, I will start it and Wajas. Nias people. Nias people are ethnic group native to Nias, an island of the west coast of North Sumatra, Indonesia. In the Nias language, the Nias people are known as Ononiha, which literally means descendants of human. Nias Island is known as Tananiha, with Tana meaning land in the Nias language. The Nias people are a community that continues living within the norms and practices of their indigenous culture. Customary law of the Nias people is generally referred to as Kondake, which regulates all aspects of life from birth to death. Historical evidence of megalithic structures and stone carvings that are found in the interior of the island prove that ancient Nias people practice megalithic culture. The caste system is also recognized in Nias society, where the highest level out of the 12 levels in the Nias caste system is Balugu. In order to reach this level of the caste, one must be able to carry out big festival by inviting thousands of people and slaughtering thousands of pigs for several days. According to the people of Nias, one of mythical origins of Nias tribe comes from a tree of life called Torasigarua, which is located at a place called Teteheli Anaa. According to the myth, it is said that the arrival of the first human on Nias Island began in the days of King Sirau, whose 9 sons had been banished out of Teteheli Anaa for fighting over the throne. Hence, the 9 sons of King Sirau were considered as the first people to set foot on the island of Nias. Archaeological research has been conducted on Nias Island since 1999. The observation found that there has been human habitation on Nias Island since 12,000 years ago, through migration from Asia to Nias Island during the Paleolithic period. In fact, there are indications of migration as far as 30,000 years ago. During the period, the Hoa Binh Vietnam civilization was similar to that in Nias Island. Therefore, it was presumed that the origins of Nias people came from an area in mainland Asia, that is in modern-day Vietnam. New genetic research has found that the Nias people of North Sumatra came from the Austronesian peoples. The ancestors of the Nias people are also thought to have come from Taiwan through the Philippines 4,000 to 5,000 years ago. 10 years of researching involving blood samples of 440 Nias people in 11 villages in Nias Island showed the Y chromosome and DNA mitochondria of the Nias people are very similar to the Taiwanese, Aborigines, and Philippine peoples. The observation has also found that the genes in today's Nias people no longer carry any traces of the Asian Nias people, as of those whose remains were found in the Tegindawa Cafe, Central Nias. Archaeological findings of the stone tools found showed that humans lived in the cave over 12,000 years ago. The genetic diversity of the Nias people is very low compared to other groups of people especially with regard to the Y chromosome. This indicates that there was often a bottleneck population in the past history of Nias. Studies have also found that the Nias people do not share any genes with ethnicities living in the Andaman Nicobar Islands in the Indian Ocean, which are geographically considered as neighbors. Although it is known that there was a migration of the Austronesian peoples between Taiwan and Indonesia archipelago, including Nias. It is still uncertain if the migration started from Taiwan to Nias or vice versa. Gowinihando or Gowinitutu founded cassava. Harinake means bark. Godo-godo, shredded cassava siped into balls for boiling and later with added coconut flakes. Keva-keva means fish meat siped into balls to be dried smoked. Nioburu, salt pork for longer storage. Ratigae, fried bananas. Tambaya, ketupat. Lemang, gainimoga, grilled bananas. Kajimone, made of sago. Wawayasa, glutinous rice. Pulo-pulo para, candy made for distilled coconut milk. Bato, compressed crab meat shaped into balls for longer storage as found on Hinako Islands. Nami, sun-fed crab eggs for longer storage, sometimes for months depending on the quantity of salt used. Tuonifara, palm wine. Tuombanua, round palm wine with added laru. Roots of various plants to give a certain amount of alcohol. Clothing and ornaments. The kalabubu is traditionally only worn by those who already performed the headhunting activities. Fonduru means earring made of precious metal. Kalabubu, also known as the headhunter's necklace. Nifatalitali, a necklace of precious metal. Nifatofato, a man's necklace of precious metal. Suahu, a comb of wood or precious metal. Traditional proverbs. Hula nife mangamau ihene jinga. Like a cat that eats starting from the sides. When doing something, start from the easiest to the difficult. Hula la ewa nidana ba ifuli fahala. Just like chopping the water, it will still remain something that is inseparable. Abaka Joko Safuria Moroi Bazi Ofuna. The wood is more severe at the later stage than the beginning. A course of action can be felt the most towards the end. Other traditional practice. Nias meant taking part in Fahombo. Fahombo, leaping over the rock. Fatele or Faluya or Faluaya, war dance. Maina group dance. Tarimoyo eagle dance. Tarimogale, Pangawai welcoming of guest dance. Fame ono nihale, weddings. Omohada traditional house. Fame ete nono nihale, given name of married women. Fase selebue, bamboo competition among young men to test one's strength. Decline, deterioration in Nizam culture began to occur since the end of the 19th century. Missionary works had contributed to the decline of original Nias culture. Evangelization in Nias success those performed by the German Protestant Rhenish Missionary Society had been responsible to the destruction of Nizam wooden statues as well as suppression of the unique culture of Nias society, e.g. ancestors worship, magical practices, the Owasa festival, noblemen rank elevation festivals, head hunting and slave trading. However, since 1955, conservation of the traditional culture of the Ononiha has improved tremendously by the Roman Catholic Church through cultural integration, liturgy, architecture, and art. Okay, my friends, that's all my perform. I say sorry if I made a mistake. And thank you. Bye bye.